Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Cardano ADA continues to fall down and crashing. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with what ADA Cardano is going to do. So eventually right here, you can see that we are falling down, closing below 2 times the 0.43. This was a huge support level for ADA. Unfortunately, the case was that we are going all the way down. And of course, we are finding a minus 50% correction, 15% in a week, right? While the market has been going sideways, some altcoins even pumping like Maker, ADA has been underperforming. This was obvious though after the descending triangle that we had, if not descending, bearish pennant. You can call it whatever you want. I think that a descending is more obvious right here. So eventually this is the start, only the start of a more downfall, and I'm going to show you some minor support levels. For the time being, we are going to draw the fib from this bottom right here up all the way to this top. You can see I've been drawing the fib from the 0.4026 towards the 0.69. Okay, we have one minor support level sitting at the 0.3545. This is a minor support level that we might be eventually finding a buying entry. Right now, as you can see, we almost touched it. In the non-logarithmic scale, we are far beyond, but in the logarithmic scale, you can see that we almost touched the support level. So around this area, we might be finding some nice buying pressure. You can see that the RSI has been going to 10. This is incredible for ADA. We haven't seen these numbers. If I take you even back to the 2020, we haven't seen that. The only thing that we have seen ADA going down to is at September 2020, but at the same time, we never reached these RSI targets. So to see the 10 RSI right now is absolutely insane. We might be finding though a mini buying pressure. In case you are wondering if this will continue to fall down, mini buying pressure could be the case right now. We are reaching the 0.3539. In overall though, ADA is in a big decline mode. What I mean by that is that we are going all the way down to the 0.28. Around this area, it will be the target where Cardano ADA will be going to. And if we draw the fib from this bottom to this top, you can see that we have one huge support level in the weekly frame, which is around the 0.23 to 25. Around this area, we have a huge support level for ADA, but be careful because if the market crashes more, we are going to go further down. There are some unpopular opinions right there that we have already picked the inflation rate. What I mean by that is that the 8 to 8.3% that we had in the USA CPI data has peaked. And now, from now on in 2023, we are going to see the inflation rate dropping. If this happens, this is good. However, okay, we are deep into a recession, and always remember that things can go worse than that. Anyway, the weekly frame is around this area of support line. Now for the very short term, as we talked about, we have one support line where we are right now, which can lead to a buying pressure. We almost found this bottom, and right now we can even pump a little bit more, right? At the same time though, it is not something important. It's not going to be like a huge buying pressure for Cardano. You can see it is on a big decline, even if we have this huge RSI oversold. And this is why you should never trade when the RSI is in an oversold situation. Many people thought that the ADA is going all the way up, but this was a rising wedge pattern after a correction. Look at that, higher lows, higher highs, and we went all the way down. Okay, so yeah, it could happen, right? It could happen that we are having this. Okay, and the thing right now with the ADA, it is that we are going to go all the way further down, 0.3545. Maybe now we are having a buying pressure, and we are going to see the targets. For the time being, the first target unfortunately is at the 0.3662, followed by the 0.3723 and maybe the 0.378. Okay, however, the case right now is that we are waiting for the CPI data to be revealed. We are expecting a minus 0.2% of the decrease in the inflation rate. If this happens, then the consumer price index, actually, if this happens, then we are going probably to have a buying pressure in all of the crypto market. Okay, and this is going to be with ADA as well. For the time being, be prepared in the next weeks for something worse for ADA into the short term. This cannot keep going, right? The fact that we are having the 11 RSI is like having a crazily bearish market where we cannot seem to get an upturn. Everyone was talking good things about ADA when we were back here. Now they are talking bad things, and they didn't see the descending triangle. They didn't see the technical analysis. They went into the news that we had some good news about the ADA blockchain, but at the same time we had bearish pennant or bearish descending triangle, and then we crashed even more. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.